Hello, it's Miss Baker here to talk to you about GCSE Science at Lutterworth College. So what we get asked a lot about in the science department is whether I should be doing combined science or triple science. So hopefully by the end of this presentation, we'll understand a little bit more about the differences between the two. So the first thing we need to all look at is that science is a core subject. So just like English and maths, every student in Year 9 has to study science. So all Year 9 students will have exactly the same number of science lessons and they will cover the same content. As we go through the year, you will complete a number of internal assessments. So these are mini exams that will test both your skills in science, so your practical skills, your numeracy skills, as well as the content we have covered as part of the course. As we get to the spring term, your teachers will make a recommendation. We will look at your internal assessment scores and your general attitude to learning in science, and we will select students who will then be invited to take triple science as one of your options in Year 10. If you decide to take your invite to triple science, you will do this instead of one of your option choices. Okay, so what is the difference then between the two courses? Well, combined science still covers biology, chemistry and physics, but you will get 2 GCSEs. You will sit 6 exams at the end that are 75 minutes long. Triple science, because it has this extra option time, will still cover biology, chemistry and physics, but you will get 3 GCSEs and your exams will be 6 exams and they are 1 hour and 45 minutes long. So, should you pick combined or triple? Well, there's a lot of similarities and there are some differences between the two courses. Both courses are tiered. So both courses have a foundation paper, which is grades 1 to 5, and a higher paper, which is grades 4 to 9. Now, the combined science covers all the content that is needed for 2 GCSEs in science and prepares students sufficiently to take an A-level science course. Whereas the triple science covers all the same content that we did in combined science, as well as some additional lessons that will increase your breadth and your depth of knowledge and understanding of each individual science subject. Now, the only requirement we would have for taking A-level science is not whether it was combined or triple, but whether you got grade 6s and above. So what to do if you're unsure about which path you're going to follow? Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to talk to your science teachers. They will be able to advise you as to which is the most suitable course for you to be following. When you get to Year 9, you're going to be able to discuss your progress with your Year 9 teachers. You will also be able to know exactly when you are being assessed and what you're being assessed on so that you can do your very best to be able to access the triple science course, if that is what you want to do. If you are invited to take triple science but don't want to give that option subject up, that is perfectly okay and you can continue with the combined science. I hope I've been able to answer some of your questions today. If you have any further queries, please feel free to email me on k.baker@lutterworthcollege.com. Thank you.